Mustang Extreme Environmental Services. Composite mat installation. Always use proper PPE. Always be aware of personnel and equipment location and movement. Locate overhead power lines and other potential obstacles or obstructions. Establish communication protocols with the crew. Be aware of other contractors' equipment and personnel at the site. Ideally, use a 3 to 3.4 cubic yard wheel loader fitted with 5 or 6 foot forks to offload and stage the mats. A telehandler may be used to offload and stage mats. These are not as efficient as a wheel loader for installation. A skid steer may be used to install mats in tight job site spaces. These carry less mats than wheel loaders but are more maneuverable. All forked equipment must use the longer 5 to 6 foot tapered forks. This helps safely balance the 7 to 8 foot long heavy mats during transport and install. Short forks will significantly slow down the installation process and add safety risks. Alignment and T-bar pin locking tools are used to secure mats in place. Each mat has 2 overlapping and 2 underlapping flanges. The underlapping flange is also referred to as the leading edge. These flanges let the mats overlap and interlock. Once interlocked, mats can better disperse weight by sharing the payload with neighboring mats. The interlocking feature creates a smooth surface and mitigates shifting and hopping when driving over the mats. The mats are equipped with many pinhole options to accommodate various site conditions and configurations. Roadway configurations require 3 pins be used on each end of the mat. Typically, that would be 1 pin on the left and right side of the mat's leading edge and 1 pin in the center hole. For staging sites and work platforms, 5 pins should be used. 5 pins let you connect the mats on both the forward leading edge flange and the side flange to build a square. Mats have a light tread pattern on their work surface. This helps mitigate slipping and shifting for equipment and personnel. Using the wheel loader, transport the stacks of mats to the installation site. Mats weigh 1,100 pounds, so the number of mats that can be transported in one load depends on the size of the equipment. With a 3 cubic foot loader and 6 foot forks, 5 to 6 mats can be transported at a time. Angle forks at an upward angle once mats are on forks to secure during transit. Stack the mats within proximity to the installation site. Using the skid steer, install the pre-staged mat piles 1 mat at a time. If just a single wheel loader is available, the same wheel loader would both stage mat piles and install the mats. The underlapping flange, which is the leading edge, should always be at the north end of the forks. In other words, the bottom tongue of the mat is always out in front while you install. Ensure the pins, alignment, and locking tools are in close proximity to the mat being installed. The alignment tools pass through the pinholes of the top mat and guide the overlapping flange onto the bottom mat's underlapping flange. Pins are inserted into the holes. A quarter turn with the locking T-bar tool locks the pin into place. To accommodate curved paths, the mats can be slightly offset. For more acute turns, the mats may be left unlocked at the turning point. A new section of interlocking mats is started at your new angle. Although they will not interlock, you should overlap the first mat of this new angled section, one on top of the last mat of the previous section. In extremely soft or wet group conditions, take care not to drive onto mats that have not been securely locked. The storage surface and area, as well as the equipment capabilities, will determine the optimal height of the stack. Clear obstructions to ensure the storage area is level and stable beneath the stack. For more details or specific answers to questions about your application and site conditions, please contact us at 817-441-1235 or visit us at mustangextreme.com.